I usually speak in the capacity of being the president of Interfaith Harmony Society, but today I'd like to speak in the capacity of being the daughter of Azam Miraj. The vision that this man carries is that recognizing your legacy, recognizing your history is what shapes the future and helps you to strive in the society with utmost confidence. For this, we have two profiles from the Pakistani Christian community, for the Pakistani bureaucracy, and we would like to brief a bit about it and then also present as a token of gift to the Civil Service Academy. The profiles, please flash on the screen. So first profile is Mr. Samuel Martin Berg. Samuel Martin Berg was born on 3rd July 1906 in the village of Martinburg. His father was Harry Berg, a distinguished scholar. From a very early age, Samuel Martin Berg showed exceptional academic brilliance. He completed his early education at Martinburg School and later graduated from the Punjab University. After completing his education, he passed the Indian Civil Service examination in 1929. Following his training, he joined the Indian Administrative Service and served as Assistant Commissioner from 1931 to 1938. Subsequently, he was appointed Deputy Commissioner in various districts. In 1948, he was selected for the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Over the course of his career, he served Pakistan as an ambassador in 11 different countries. In 1959, he was assigned an important diplomatic mission in Indonesia. In 1961, he resigned from the Foreign Office and returned to academic life. He began teaching as a professor in the United States of America and authored several books. His books are included in the syllabi of Pakistan Civil Service and Administrative Training Institutions. Berg passed away on 9th October 2010 at the age of 104. His life reflects a remarkable journey of intellectual brilliance, diplomacy, and service. Even today, his thoughts and writings offer guidance for Pakistan's educational, administrative, and intellectual circles and continue to illuminate paths for future generations. Second profile, please. Second profile is that of Mr. Dilshad Dashpuri, who has served as a former IGC in Balochistan. Dilshad Dashpuri was born on 24 January 1934. He completed his early education from Missouri School, America, and later obtained his degree from Punjab University. He then completed his master's degree and received professional training at the Police Training School. In 1956, he passed the Civil Services examination and joined the Police Service of Pakistan. He served in various important positions and earned a reputation for honesty and professional excellence. He rose through the ranks and held several senior offices. He served as Inspector General IG of Police in Sindh until 1982. Later, he was appointed IG Police Balochistan, a position he held from 1985 to 1988. He was also appointed Chairman of the Pakistan Narcotics Control Board. In 1990, during the caretaker government, he rendered services in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, where he worked as a senior official and advisor. After completing his government service, he remained associated with social and intellectual circles. Dilshad Dashpuri was known for his integrity, discipline, and strong moral character. His professional life is regarded as important for Pakistan's police and civil administration. His services left a lasting impact on institutional reforms and governance. His life stands as an example of dedication, honesty, and public service. Sir, what a brilliant message you provided today, Sir Herman Robo, that Christians are supposed to be known for the values they carry. For me, being an aspiring civil servant to serve in foreign service in the near future, I feel that our academic brilliance and our intellect and honesty are one of those values that we should carry forward. So in this regard, we'd like to present two portraits to the worthy director, CTP and CV, as gift to the civil service.